శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 287th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము ఆదిపర్వము 186th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Paisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, in the Swayamvara Mandapam, Pandavas were there. Sri Krishna Bhagavan recognized Pandavas and showed them to his brother Balarama. Then in that assembly, all the kings, their minds, their manas, their eyes, everything is on Draupadi. But none of the kings could pay any kind of attention to Pandavas and Balarama Krishnas. They did not even notice their presence. Tatastute Rajaganaha Kramena Krishna Nimittam Krutavikramascha. Then all the kings, one after one, started showing their strength and their efficiency. But some of the kings, even in their thoughts, they felt like they cannot lift that bow. But some kings are trying, some kings are falling down, some kings, their crowns are falling down, and like that all the kings are failing to do that, lift that dhanush, and they slowly giving up hopes on Draupadi. Then Karnaha Dhanurdharanam Pravarojagama Udhrutya Turnam Dhanurudyatam. Then Karna has got up. He lifted that bow. He has taken arrows. He kept arrows in that bow. When Karna has done like that, Pandavas were looking at Karna. Pandavas noticed the great amount of glow in Karna, and seeing that glow, which is more than Chandra, Surya, Agni, seeing that amount of glow in Karna, Pandavas thinking, Bhitva Neetam Lakshyawaram Dharayam. This Karna definitely is going to shoot the target. They kind of felt like that after seeing Karna. When Karna was about to do, then Draupadi got up and loudly said like this, Naham varayami Sutam. I am not going to marry the Suta, who is not king. Like that, when she said loudly, then Karna has looked at her, heard her slogan, heard her announcement. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.